Welcome to our channel. If you want to add extras or customize your Sling TV package with additional channels and features, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the Sling TV website. Log in with your account credentials. Step 2. Click on your account icon and select My Account or Manage Subscription from the menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Extras or Add-ons section, where you can browse all available channel packages and premium add-ons. Step 4. Review the available extras such as sports packages, news channels, entertainment bundles, and premium networks like Showtime or Stars. Step 5. Click on the extras you want to add to your subscription. You will see the additional monthly cost for each add-on displayed clearly. Step 6. Confirm your selections by reviewing the updated total monthly cost for your customized package. Step 7. Click Add to Subscription or confirm changes to finalize the package upgrade. The changes will take effect immediately. Step 8. Return to the Sling TV app and refresh your channel lineup to access your newly added extras. Check your email for a confirmation of the package changes and updated billing information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.